Hello, good evening, Mr. and my friends. Today I want to tell you about my daily activity. The first, I get up at 7 o'clock. After I get up, I take a bath and then I eat breakfast. I eat yellow rice for breakfast. My mother is buy it for me. After I get breakfast, I'm playing handphone. When I get bored, I'm drawing or make Lego. I usually drawing a dress or clothes for a woman in my mother tablet, and I usually make this Lego too. After that, I eat lunch. I eat fried chicken for lunch. After I finish my lunch, I take a nap at 1 o'clock, and I get up at 3 o'clock. After I get up, I usually playing handphone or play with my cousin. When I play with my cousin, I usually play a sand, a car, or others. After finish playing, I usually take a bath at 5 o'clock. After I finish take a bath, I usually eat dinner with my family at 6 o'clock. After that, I'm pray too. After I finish praying, I'm play handphone or drawing. After that, I study. After I finish study, I'm prepare for my school tomorrow. After that, I'm playing handphone. I'm playing handphone at 8 o'clock. After that, I'm make Lego or drawing. And then at 9 o'clock, I'm watch TV. And the last, I sleep at 10 o'clock. That's all my daily activity. Thank you, Mr. and my friends. Bye-bye.